Hey, welcome back. Today we'll be looking at this 2.5-inch hard drive enclosure by Orico, model number 2520C3. I think I don't have to explain so much because you know what a hard drive enclosure does. These are the specs in case you are interested. The reason why I purchased this is because the connector is using USB-C, and I prefer using USB-C rather than those connectors, usual flimsy USB connectors usually available on the external hard disk. You know, those thin types of USB connectors. Oh, I hate those. Those are flimsy as fuck. Okay, let's just open up the box, see what you get inside. You get the something just fall out. You get the enclosure itself. You just slide it open like this. There you go. It has a SATA connection, has a USB-C connection. You get the sponge. The sponge is used as a spacer so that if you have a thinner SSD or hard disk, it won't rattle around. So that's useful. And you get a USB cable, USB-C to USB-A cable. So there's nothing much to talk about. I have this hard disk that I salvaged from an old laptop. Rather than wasting it, I'd rather purchase an enclosure and use this as an external hard disk. Okay, the way you install it is just simple. You just slide it, make sure that your hard disk is using SATA interface. You just slide it here like this, and if needed you can install this foam so that the hard disk does not rattle around. Let's see if it rattles. Let's just... Does it rattle? No, it doesn't rattle, so I don't have to install this sponge thing here. So I think that's basically it. I really like the design of this hard disk enclosure, and I really like the fact that they used a USB-C connection instead of using those usual thin connection. Let me just show you what I'm talking about. Let me just grab another enclosure. You see, this is the usual hard disk enclosure. You get this flimsy USB connection. I don't know what this is called. I don't know what type of USB connection is this. This is okay, but I hate these because these are flimsy. With the USB-Cs, they are much sturdier, they are much robust, a lot more tough, I think, because this usually, I think if you notice using this kind of connections that the cable is a bit wiggly, right? I think you can agree with me. It's wiggly. See if you use the USB-C, there's less wiggle, and it's simple, just one click instead of this I have to fumble around just to connect this stupid connector. So I guess that's it. I recommend this if you're looking for something that is more sturdier and more robust than this type of connector. So this can be in your consideration if you're looking for a hard drive enclosure. Okay, so that's it for this video today. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for watching. Like, dislike, subscribe, comment if you want to, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.